Jeff with Fusion Electric here on site in Lenexa, Kansas. Here we have some storm damage. The electrical service mast has been torn off the back of this house. The customer has had some tree limbs fall on the overhead line coming from KCP&L utility pole. So what we're going to do here is we are going to make a coordinated effort with KCP&L. We will have them out to unhook this overhead line. We'll have the tree service out to trim up the tree limbs to hopefully prevent something like this from happening in the future. And then the fix here is going to be replacing the electrical meter box you see there that is tagged. And then we'll also install a conduit out of the top of this box up through the soffit there to achieve proper clearances off the ground and over the stairs of this deck that you see here. In my follow-up video, you'll see the completed installation of the new meter box, the service mast through the roof, and then hopefully we'll have some trees cleaned up here as well, and Power and Light will have reconnected the service, and all will be well. Thanks for stopping by and checking out my video.